Hey, I just watched your new version of Blueprint,
Yep.
and I think that I like the new increased actions when a status hits a time limit. But besides the non-contacted one that you do in the video, is there other practical uses of that?
Can you repeat the question?
Well, before you can only send out an email as an action when a status reaches a certain time limit that you set.
That's right. That's right.
All right. So what this? I know that it can do it, but what's the practical use of that? I'm trying to set up some blueprints for other things, and I think that would probably work. I just don't know what application it could have.
Sure. So let's set, for example, 2 hours. And now you have your different notifications or different things that you can do on escalation. So let's assume that the lead was not answered in 2 hours. Then in that point, when you used to get an email, it was cool, but it's not enough. For example, I personally don't like to get emails at all. I have over 10,000 unread emails. I don't want to see any more emails in my life. I prefer to have, using custom function, I like to get a click notification. So then on the left bottom of the screen, I will have a pop-up that will tell me, using a bot or using a click notification, that deal number ABC was not answered on time. So that kind of escalation that I like to have. And you can shoot webhooks to a third-party application. Let's say that you have Asana as your project management system. If you will have the webhooks configured, you can send, let's say, to Asana, create a ticket in Asana that will say that deal 1, 2, 3 was not answered in time. And then the manager can take action. Maybe you like to have a report that will tell you all the deals that were not answered in time. And then you can have some kind of a field update and just, for example, have a field name deal with issues or deal that was not answered in time, and then it will toggle to on and off. And when those 2 hours are passing, you have 2 hours and a half, for example, the field update will kick in, and then it will turn it to yes. And that will be part of the deals that you know that you have problems with. So each one of those options, I think it's very cool that you can take advantage much more than just an email notification.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem.